Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Now you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate when silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Touch Feedback to enable or disable vibration feedback when tapping, swiping, etc. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!